What's up, everybody? My name is James, aka Jimmy Two Take.
And I am Anna, also known as Annamcnaughty on Instagram, and together we are Leave the Map. We are a traveling husband and wife team currently living out of our camper van. Right now we are in our home base and planning our next big trip.
Thank you to Adobe Stock for having us. We're super excited for the Start with Stock series this week. We hope you guys are too. Here's a little bit about what you're going to learn today. First, we're going to go over how we edit in Lightroom and how you can actually publish your photos using Adobe Stock straight from Lightroom. The second part of the series will be all about how Anna uses Adobe Stock to create her Photoshop, wizardry, magic, whatever you call it. It's incredible how she does what she does using Adobe Stock. And in the third part of the series, we'll talk about how I use Adobe Stock and rely on some footage to, beef up these travel videos we have.
Yeah, and I've actually been using Stock for the past few years in all of my photos to replace Milky Ways and skies and whatever it may be, because sometimes you honestly just can't find that perfect shot. So it is an absolute game changer for all the things I do, and hopefully will be for you as well.
So thank you guys, thank you to Adobe Stock, and we hope you guys will enjoy this series.